Well, low levels of chemical substances has been discovered in the water system at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The health department says 1-chlorophor-trifluoromethylbenzene was detected in a water sample collected from the Volcano Catchment Chlorinator, which serves the park and is owned by the U.S. Department of the Interior. Now, the chemical is an industrial solvent that is currently not regulated in drinking water. The sample was taken on April 8th, and DOH was notified by email on May 23rd. Officials say current measures show there is no acute health risk of levels detected, and the water system continues to meet all standards for safe drinking water.